These seats are reserved for white passengers. You must stand at the back. No black people will sit here.
Sir, the bus is full and I am very tired. Can I sit?
No, the law says you can't sit here. Stand up now.
How long do we have to live like this? Every day we face the same atrocities while traveling.
If anyone breaks the rules, I will throw them off this bus. Now move back.
In a land ruled by fear and laws built on injustice, simple freedom was a crime. People were stopped, not for what they did, but who they are. Justice, we want 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 justice, we want
Hey, you do! Stop right there! Show me your passports! Now!
जो काले थे वो तेरा Officers, we are just free back home. Why do we need passes every day?
That's the law! No passport? Then you are a criminal. Get to the jail now. This was a job, sir. Every South African deserves freedom and dignity, not humiliation. Speak again and you will find yourself behind the bars.
When peaceful protest brings only pain, the fight must evolve. In secret brave heart, unite not for war, but for justice. A movement is born, carrying the weight of hope. Nelson, we cannot endure this anymore, as they hold all the power.
I believed peace was the only way, but now I know we can't stay silent. Change needs action.
You mean to fight?
In our heart, we are already fighting. We will show resolve without any war.
Then side by side, inch by inch, and mile by mile, we'll stand with you. शांति से मिली छोटे हाथों में बंदूक, हम सच्चाई से लड़ते हैं। शांति से मिली छोटे हमको कोशिशों से नहीं करती है। उनके हाथों में बंदूकें, हम सच्चाई से लड़ते हैं। The voice that challenged power is now silenced by iron bars. Arrested, accused, and caged, but not broken. Behind prison was begin a battle of spirit, one that cannot be contained. We want justice. We want equal rights. We want justice. We want equal rights. We want justice. We want equal rights. We want equal rights.
Sir, there they are. They are protesting against us. We have to arrest them. Nelson Mandela, you are under arrest for acting against the state. It needs to be prepared to die for the ideal of democratic and free society. You rot in here, Mandela, until even hope dies here. No one remembers Christmas. You can't win.
पंकज सदा अहिंसा के रणभूमि में उतरना
लड़ी युद्ध बिना हथियारों के इस अंधकार को जीतना है 28 साल जेल की ना कोई भय था ना कोई डर उम्मीद की किरणें थी जिंदा साहस का भरा फूट कर चल पथ पर सदा अहिंसा के रणभूमि में उतरना लड़ युद्ध बिना हथियारों के इस अंधकार को जीतना है 28 साल जेल की ना कोई भय था ना कोई डर उम्मीद की किरणें थी जिंदा साहस था भरा फूट कर
Hope is our friend. Even behind these walls, we keep it alive.
You have been here for so long. Aren't you afraid?
Goodness is like a flame. It may hide, but never dies. Even in this darkness, our faith sees light.
As protests and relentless struggles interrupted across the nation, the government soon realized that they could no longer keep the black population under their control.
The time has come. Discriminatory laws must be repealed. Bans on political parties lifted, and the shackles on the media broken. It was no longer sustainable to silence voices yielding for freedom and equality.
As protests and struggles against the authorized, they realized that they could no longer keep the black population under their control.
May I come in, sir? The ideals of justice, dignity, and human rights bring free from the chains of tyranny. We knew the road ahead would be difficult, but the winds of change, unstoppable, carried with them the promise of a new dawn for all the South Africans. We have to free Nelson Mandela.
After 28 years, the gates open. A nation once broken now breathes as one. The prisoner returns not in a chain, but as a symbol of unity, ready to lead with love.
सदा हिस्सा के जोर में सदा जुम्मन शादी है बस मिला तुझको ये संघर्ष हो सदा और अहिंसा का गर्व पहुंचाया मिलेगा आदि का न्याय का अमर रहे तेरा नाम अमर रहे तेरा नाम अमर रहे तेरा नाम
Friends, today is a new beginning. Let's build a rainbow nation where everyone lives in peace and equality. Mandela, Mandela, our president. Mandela,
Mandela, our president. Mandela, Mandela, our president.
historical enemy succeeded in negotiating a peaceful transition from apartheid to democracy. This was exactly because we were prepared to accept the inherent capacity for goodness in others. My wish is that South Africans never give up on the belief in goodness, that they cherish that faith in human beings is the cornerstone of a democracy. Mandela, Mandela, our president, live long.